Hello everyone, Mandy Hofford, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I love the EnviroCloth, as you know, so much. It is amazing, but there are times that it just actually doesn't cut it. There's some big job that has happened and just the EnviroCloth and water is not going to work. So in those cases, like for instance, this Sharpie on this piece of laminate flooring, who's had kiddos who've written all over, or something happens, and wear and tear, regular life, and we just need good tools to get the job done. So I'm going to show you cleaning paste. Some people like to call it elbow grease in a jar. We just love it, and we don't care what we call it. It's awesome. Smells good, and it works so great. Water spots, film on a anything, windshield, water spots, but a film on the headlights of your car, anything, all kinds of things. The white around shoes, but like I said, in this case, we're going to look at taking off the permanent marker from this laminate wood flooring piece, right? Just like that. We can get that off. Save a child's life. There you go. So we didn't take it completely off, but you can see this side to this side, we got it off, and we will be able to just rinse this out and keep cleaning. Also great for the cooktop stoves and the glass in your oven. You guys, the options for cleaning paste are just absolutely unlimited. So I hope that you have some, or you're going to get yourself some. It is really a really great, helpful tool. Thanks for watching, and drop comments below.